Please.
I don't know how to do this. We are going to the airport. Checking for our flight. Where is our flight? We don't know which gate. Which gate are we, love?
304 F1 F13A.
Ah, there, I got it. F. We are done with immigration and we passed the gates and we are now in. Where are we?
Let's buy something in duty free.
Bear with me, I don't know how to do vlogs yet. Hey, husband.
Hello.
Smiling there, buying some stuff. We're going to find our gate.
Sorry for my bad England.
Your English is good.
It's not.
It's our first
Together.
airplane ride together.
Yes.
As a husband and wife. Am I pretty?
Yes, always.
See you later.
حول عنقك ثم لف الشريط حول خصرك
We are now going to our Riad. Say hi. Yeah, you should knock. We arrived in our Medina and we're staying in FEZ Medina. Our and we are so sticky. What's the weather today in FEZ, my love?
36 degrees.
It's 36 degrees. So it's like Philippines, basically. And we're gonna drink tea. Thank you, shukran. Drinking Moroccan tea. Do you wanna cheers to that? Let's cheers to our Moroccan tea. Moroccan tea. How's it?
That's nice. It's fresh.
Isn't it?
I'll just add some sugar.
Okay. Welcome to our second Riad. We have some place to hang clothes, air condition. There's a bathroom. Oh, and there's a mirror. And a shower. Oh, that's a shower. Is it better? You like it? This is the rooftop of our Riad. Oh, so cool. And wow, you can find a view up here. Oh, that is beautiful. Isn't it?
Yes.
I'm gonna walk. We are now on our way to the Blue Gate. Right now, I'm wearing this shawl because it's so hot. I have to cover my hair and my skin.
Yes,
So I won't
it's really
be-
hot. I'm sure we are gonna be so dark.
I don't want to be
End
dark.
of the day.
So we're just gonna take a like 10-minute walk to the Blue Gate from our Medina. And our plan is to get lost in the old Medina. And I hope we don't get lost, literally.
Actually, I wanna get lost.
But I don't want to. My love, what are we going to drink?
Fresh orange juice.
We're gonna drink French orange juice because it's so hot.
One cup is 12 dirham.
It's 12 dirham. So everything is closed because it's holiday. It's Bayram.
It's a Friday.
Ah, it's a Friday. We found it. Art street. So it's a street filled with arts. I know, it's amazing. Look at that. Wow. That's so cool. And there's a cat here. Everywhere, like Turkey. Wow. Wow. So handsome.
Go.
We are now in the ruined, what was it?
Pardon.
The ruined garden. And it's our first time to try tajines. Here's our kefta tajine, meatball tajine.
There's the eggs, right?
Why it looks like menemen to me.
Right?
Okay, now we're gonna try it. Try it, baby. We can ask for water also.
Sure.
It's a lamb.
Lamb is my favorite.
I know. Whoa. How's it?
Tasty.
Tasty?
There's a curry.
Okay, we're gonna eat for now. Hi. Good evening. This is how it looks at night. Hello, sir. You are the waiter. We are now in our rooftop of our Riad. And we're gonna stay here. So, tonight we're going to drink Moroccan tea. Oh, I cannot. It's so heavy. Good morning. We are now eating our breakfast. We'll go to Medina and our breakfast looks good. Some of them are open now. They're beautiful. They're opening, I guess. Oh, look at that now. It's so beautiful. walking in old city of FEZ, a city where there is no car. He's gonna walk.
It's called Kabira Street,
Yeah,
which means big street.
this one is the big street. Yesterday we went to small street. So if they ask you and bother you, you can just say no thank you, or you can get mad. No thank you. We're on our way to... I always forgot where we're going. Where are we going, my love?
It's called... I don't know what it's called.
They're like the where would they create copper. We are buying some FEZ fridge magnet. It's our last night in FEZ, and we are going to share our experience and our first impressions and last impressions. We went to our first Riad, and people here are so warm, welcoming, and very friendly. So we loved it right away. And then we really felt that welcome. And we really felt that the country is different. I researched a lot actually before I came here, and I expected there's gonna be people who will try to scam us and like trick us or rip us off. But yeah, I was prepared about that, but my husband wasn't. And he's so friendly. Whenever he meets someone, he's so friendly. So that's fine. It's okay to be friendly, but here in Morocco, you just have to be very careful. People will approach you, but you know, but they will lead you somewhere else to buy something.
Yes, unfortunately. Every time we walk on the street, like people just ask us, like where do you go? Like they always try to help you.
Yeah.
At first, that's what you understand actually. You think they are gonna just help you, but they just lead you somewhere, like some stores. They try to take you somewhere, they are asking for tip. You should know how to say no.
Yeah, you should learn how to say no.
Yes, exactly.
And you should be firm about it. Like, no, thank you. I don't need your help. Because sometimes they are really aggressive and pushy for solo travelers. That's just something to be mindful. So we went to the tanneries, and I heard a lot of horror stories going to the tanneries. But luckily, we didn't really got ripped off because we tried our best. As if we know where to go, even though we don't really know where to go. So we just memorize a little bit, familiarize the map, and then we just go straight ahead. And then we paid 30 dirhams, is it? 50.
No, actually, the guy said us first, it is 20 dirham each person. So once we get there, he asked for like, just, can you give me 10 dirham more for my coffee?
Yeah, so
two of us just paid 50 dirham.
Yeah, so it's a good deal. So if they ask you like 100 dirhams or more, that's crazy. So never allow it to happen. So the technique for that is you should negotiate when you're outside of the store. So don't go inside right away when they ask you to come in. There's gonna be people before you arrive at the tannery. It's like, are you going to the tannery? Are you looking for a tannery? So just say you know where you go. You're just gonna be firm and say like, I don't have money. I am not gonna buy leather.
Exactly.
I'm not here to shop. I'm just gonna see the tanneries, and then you just negotiate like how much do you need?
You should ask first.
Yeah.
Before you go anywhere, you just tell them.
Before you go inside.
Yeah, be aware.
Cash is king here, so everybody expects you to give tips.
Yes.
But we
Even
didn't-
kids.
We didn't really give a lot of tips here, but we don't know what will happen in Marrakech. Since this is our last night, and we love our Riad. Our Riad is Dar FEZ Medina, and it's a lovely Riad. It's really cheap. It's a 10-minute walk from the old Medina. But be mindful, the Medina is so confusing, so you have to do your own research before you come here so that you will avoid scams. You'll avoid to be ripped off. So research is king. Google is king here also.
Yes.
Our next video will be in Merzouga.
Yes. In our tent.
We're gonna show you our tent. I hope it's